friends, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce the first book written by me, Cooking Simplified. I'm very happy. I'm all the more excited because it has been introduced on my dad's 100th birth anniversary. This book is dedicated to my parents. They always taught me to follow my dreams, and that's what I have tried to do. They would have been so happy if they were alive today. This book includes recipes from various regions. They are very carefully selected for you all. It's a must-have for every person who really relishes good food and also is fond of cooking. It's a very good gift, and it will be cherished by the receiver for years to come. My cherished dream has been fulfilled today. In spite of my 2 encounters with cancer, they did not deter me from following my dream, for pursuing my dream of writing a book. But this book could not have been completed without the cooperation of my husband and dear daughter. A major credit goes to all my friends and well-wishers who have always inspired and motivated me. A big thank you once again to you all. This book will be available on Amazon, Flipkart and publisher Blue Rose. Thanks once again.